Hi there, today I'm sharing with you how I made my winter capsule wardrobe. So the first thing that I did was gather inspiration, and of course that meant for me going on Pinterest and looking up capsule wardrobe inspiration. Now this first step is really meant to just be a fun, creative process, trying to figure out what types of clothing and color, textures and patterns and anything that you are particularly drawn to. So all I did was went ahead and created a capsule wardrobe board, and I will refer to this for inspiration, not only for this capsule, but for future capsules as well. So the second step is you want to select your colors, and I find that this is the most helpful step, but I also find that it can be a bit restrictive if you just keep to the colors on your palette. So you really want to make sure that your colors are more of a guideline than an actual hard rule, and that will make creating your capsule wardrobe a lot easier and more fun. So what I do to create a color palette is I start looking up the colors that I have in mind. I go to images, save them on my desktop, and then I will go ahead and create a collage. Now I created a collage using PicMonkey. This is actually completely free. You do not have to sign up for their subscription. This really helps me because I'm such a visual person, and I just like to be reminded of the colors that I'm aiming towards, and it really helps create continuity in my capsule wardrobe. So once I've gone ahead and created my palette, I will go ahead and export it, and then I just keep it up on my desktop to continue to inspire me. So the next thing you want to do is pick a number, and that is pick how many items you want in your capsule wardrobe. Now for me, I find it is also really important to not only pick a number, but look at your activities that you have each week. Are you a stay-at-home mom? Are you a career woman? Are you in college? Are you in high school? Where are you in your life? And from there, start to build out your capsule wardrobe. Now for me personally, I am mostly in business casual clothes. I do work full-time, and then I attend church every Sunday, so pretty much all of my clothes I would categorize as conservative but still really fun. Now as far as selecting the actual number of pieces, you get to choose what you want. Some people do a 33-piece wardrobe. I find that's a little too small for me. Right now I'm working with 36 pieces, but I don't make this a hard rule. Sometimes it'll fluctuate up to maybe 40, even 42 pieces. So the amount of pieces in your wardrobe does not include things like pajamas, underwear, bra, workout clothes, loungewear, and also for accessories like jewelry, your wedding ring perhaps, or maybe a necklace that you never take off, or something that you always have on you, also does not count towards an accessory. So really just play around with the amount of pieces that you have, be fluid with this, and really just let your life dictate the needs that you have for your capsule wardrobe. So once you've picked your number, you want to start just rummaging through your closet, looking at what you have. So I'm going to be pulling out all of my winter type clothes and start sorting through them. I think it's really important to pull everything out of your closet, not just to pull a couple of things. And the only things I absolutely left out of the closet were obviously my summer attire, because I knew I wouldn't wear that obviously for winter. But yeah, it's really important to take everything out. The next thing you want to do is, if you have a previous capsule wardrobe, you want to revisit the pieces that you've been wearing the last few months and see if you want to migrate any of those pieces into the new capsule wardrobe. Here's my giant pile of clothes that I need to sort, and I decided to bring them out into the living room because my daughter was napping. So I started to sort the piles, and I had a get rid of pile that was just basically a donation pile of clothes that I didn't like any longer, didn't fit me. Then I also created a pile of items I want to keep but didn't want in the capsule wardrobe, and then my final pile was the clothes that I was going to put in the capsule. So after you've selected your clothing items, I went ahead and opened up my jewelry box and started to look through all of my jewelry. I have KonMari'd my jewelry actually, but I still have a ton of it. But I was really proud of myself being able to fit it all in this one jewelry box. For this capsule, I was going very simple, minimalist, and classic jewelry. Next, I picked my shoes. I got 6 of them. This was pretty easy because I love every single pair of these shoes so much. I adore them all. A couple of them are actually secondhand, and some I've just had for years. All right, guys, that is my capsule wardrobe selection. I hope that was helpful for you. It kind of gives you an idea of how to get through the process. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next week.
Bye. Bye-bye. He's just walking away. Whoa. Face plant.